Day 3.
Day 3.
Here we are.
What are we tackling today?
We're up top in the mezzanine right now, which was, you missed like, I don't know, how many loads is it, 7 or 8 now?
This is 7.
Whoa.
So 7 buckets full of shit. Ranging from hoses to scrap to junk, I don't know, nothing, you can see what we're doing. Basically,
Crap.
we're gonna clear this out up here and make this super clean and organized for lift kits, for pallets, for storage, just so we can keep the shop nice and organized and kind of rearrange the shop a little bit. So I've been finding remnants of the estate sale. This guy was a car guy, so lucky for Chris. Been finding random car stuff laying around. It's pretty cool. Found a bunch of toy car model cars in the basement. It was cool. Throwing a bunch of junk away.
Well, boys are buzzing. How's it been going?
Going good.
Day 3 crushing.
Yep.
Just the top.
Oh, got him. We got one. Let's go.
The top. Top. Oh my god, look at all the fucking ladybugs fell
You
out of it.
knocked the dust out of that bitch.
Oh my god, you want to tighten this up, Ben?
What? Take it off.
Use your man hand. Tighten that fucker up.
I honestly don't.
That is literally like
surprised.
a couple hundred degrees.
Yeah,
It's kind of fucking dangerous, actually.
Well, the hardest barn find.
I'm pretty upset we don't have a scrap pile.
Let me see if I can feel it. Hit me in the back. It's,
feel it?
you can feel it. It just reminded me of the airsoft clip with Nick. Oh my god! Oh, one more. Come on. So Chris found a sick find. I want to say it was like an estate sale or it's like a garage sale or something. Chris found a couple of zero turns for like $1,500 all together. Absolute steal of a deal, but the boys are working on them to get them running proper. Let's see how that's going.
We're trying to figure it out.
Trevor's like, nah, I'm actually out.
It's got that dog in it.
And you know what's got that dog in it? I fucking stink.
I think it's something fuel.
Dude. Go check out this mezzanine and see how cleaned up it is. Boom and boom on the light. This mezzanine is looking proper. Molly doing Molly things. What's up, big dog?
Cut it. Union break.
Look how clean this place is getting. Shelves are down. Place is already looking mint. They moved that shelf from over here on yonder. And pretty soon this will be filled up with some parts and storage for giveaways and whatever they're fixing.
Tomorrow.
Catching up with the boys to see how the new media barn is coming along. So let's check it out. How's it looking? What we got going on here?
Get a robot. We're just we're still demoing, and these guys are killing it. Ben and Trevor are absolutely murdering the job right now. Yeah, we're gonna go from here. Walls to come down first before anything. Thinking that the back wall will be for the truck trailer machines, and then we use the side walls for some other stuff, and put up some crazy lighting and do the floors, make it look pretty. Put the windows on all the walls. It'll look really nice.
So like tearing this wall apart.
Not too bad. That's pretty easy, actually. Actually, it looks so much better with the wall down.
The best part is, Ben's a crafty fella. He's gonna reuse all these materials to put the plywood and insulation and the steel on that wall and the steel. Everything's gonna match. Might be a little bit short on some steel in some spots, but I think we should be good.
That's a technique right there, bro. Oh, hop on her. Let's see it. Let's go, buddy. They're fun.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Dude, you're a hunting construction guy. Forward. Oh, you're on. You're on. That's it. You're done. That's it. You made it. First time, dude.
I don't like these things at all.
Pops on it. It's perfect on it. Nope. Oh. 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 I don't know how to get off. How do you get off? Literally jump off.
Lean the backside down. Your right foot.
Oh, shit.
It's all in the hips.
It's all in the head. Yeah.
And then on top of what the boys are doing, getting the new studio barn all set up and ready to rip, Frank did indeed stay after Friday and then maybe a little bit over the weekend and really got that a little storage lot next to the second barn all leveled out and looks pretty sick now. Check this out, dude. Leveled it out really nice and spread the gravel out. It looks pretty proper over here now. Drop a comment and let us know what you think we're gonna do with that little area there, because shit might get interesting. These guys have absolutely put in some work. Here you go.
The shop looks so much better, bro. It's unbelievable.
The whole wall is down. Adios, amigo. Wide open now.
All gone, just about. They got like inside corner molding, so that took a little bit longer. That's why we had to cut those. But we got it figured out. Me and Frank were just talking, back them in, straighten them out. They can even be straight now.
That's sick.
Yeah.
That is super sick. I like the cut job.
Yeah.
No, it's solid.
Yep. We're gonna leave that. Yep. That's all I got.
24 hours later.
What do we have going on here?
Shipping container delivery.
That's what I'm talking about. What are we using it for?
Storage.
313. That's what I'm talking about.
Look at that bitch. That bitch is fat in there.
Insane. This is crazy.
Oh my god.
Bro. What would you classify this trailer as?
Pretty sick. Not gonna lie. I think we need one. I
Pretty
think
sick.
we should get one.
what class is this trailer? It's in the pretty sick column. How heavy is that container?
I don't know. Probably like 3,000-4,000 pounds.
Dude, that was like butter. Hey, what do you think? Bunch of illegals in here or what?
That's what I was just telling him. It smells like a shipping container.
Sync Containers. We deal in everything that has to do with containers in Michigan, Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, Pennsylvania. You need a container, we got you.
Awesome,
New,
man.
used, container homes, anything with containers. Well, what's cool about these houses or these containers, and the reason a lot of people buy them in Detroit is you don't pay property tax on them. So people will drop them on just in the middle of nowhere.
No
They
way.
got a little house out there and they don't pay property tax. Like I dropped a container off to a dairy farm and he had a ton of them, and I was like, sir, why do you have so many containers? He turns around, looks at me, points at his house. He's like, you see that house? I said, yes, sir. Points at the barn. You see that barn? Yes, sir. I pay more taxes on that barn than I do that house. With these containers, I cut them, weld them, don't pay a single dime. They're considered modular.
Holy
That's what I
smokes.
said. I was like,
I never-
"Jeez."
That is genius. Marcus with Syncube Containers. Hit them up if you need them. Syncube just dropped off the storage container, and what else we got going on today?
We're gonna go grab some lumber to build out the ceiling in the media shop over there.
It's coming along. Feels good.
Yep.
Feels really good.
Frank's off to do some ADHD shit, and we're going to pick up a Harley rake, baby!
Don't push the fucking pine tree down, you turd.
How many people is it take?
3.
To fill up the can?
Fill up the gas can.
Unreal.
Yeah.
Do I count? Am I one of the 3?
You are, yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Every shadow counts.
Every shot I'm in this bitch. Nice.
This is what I do every day. Whenever I get to work, just spin them. Do a little mixtape actually.
I already got straps out. Dude, I'm fucking way faster than you. You couldn't outwork me if you wanted to. Perfect, thank you. Yeah, you do. Put it through the hole, yep.
I'm not used to them fitting.
Yeah, they fit. No. Down. Put it down. Pull it back up. No, put it down. Grab the black part.
Yeah?
And pull it back up and around. Yes, queen. Fuck you. That's how you strap shit, boy. Roll it. Roll it.
Oh, like a glove.
Yes, queen. Woo!
Terrible angle for this. There we go.
Layer. Here, just try her out. See what happens.
Alright, what are we doing? Where are we at?
At Menards, right down the road actually, and we are picking up the framing for the media barn, all the lights for the workshop, and we're measuring out a fence for our storage lot. Oops, I missed the door. Come on. Buys me this for Christmas, I'll love him forever.
Oh, what, Santa? Whoa, buddy, dude, that's huge. some of you question why we upgrade our trailer tires. I mean, you don't want to end up on the side of the road like this cart, buddy. What are the hooks going to get used for?
Hanging the lights in the work barn. We bought new lights so it's a little brighter.
That's what's up. I mean, you telling me it was kind of dark in there?
A little dark.
You think that's why you hit your head?
Ah. Done. That's all we needed.
That's it. Head around back. We got to pick up some lumber.
Yup. Got to drive around. Hopefully they'll load it for us so we don't have to do it. Got everything though? First trip to Menards. Only 600 and 610. Yup. Not too bad. Not
Solid.
too bad.
Yeah, make sure your wood's nice and tight.
Always. Just not protected.
Tarps off, bud.
Off.
The real question is, what's for lunch now?
Shoot, I don't know. Something good.
All right, we got the load of wood, we got the hardware like Ben said, and I guess we're gonna go find some lunch and then head back to the shop. These boys are gonna get to work. Check it out, boy putting his kid to work. That's what I'm talking about. What'd you choose?
Arby's.
We have the meat.
Tarps off the wood, we're getting some
Tarp
meat.
is definitely off the wood.
It's lunchtime,
Yep.
time to smash.
I'm hungry.
A few minutes later.
Trevor's wrapping it up. He just Harley raked the entire driveway down here and up to the house, so pretty good job. Now he's back blading and kind of leveling it all out. Let's go see what it looks like. Look how fresh and clean the driveway looks. Nice job. Nice work. Nice work. So much different. We got hard edge up to the first barn here. That's going to be the media barn, by the way, which, woo, content's going to be mint. We'll be back here in the morning. There's a train going by, you know, so you know what? We're getting out of here.